Hi everyone, this is Shelly Zurich from Still Blonde After All These Years. Today we're going to take a look at a product that we've been sent from GiftTree.com. I've never received anything from GiftTree.com before. Now this product was sent to me, but this video is not sponsored. I'm not being paid, so I'm going to give you my honest reactions and opinions. And so let's get right into it. Okay, this is how it was sent to me. Just in a box, just like any box arriving at your door. Well, given that I knew it was a gift box, it was very exciting. So when you get it, it comes with these scissors that help you unbox it and help you experience the gift basket right away. So I thought that was kind of a neat addition that I've not seen before. Okay, this particular gift basket is called the Champagne Wishes gift basket. And it's perfect for Father's Day, graduations, college graduations especially, seeing how it is called the Champagne Wish gift basket. And so you'd want the receiver, obviously, to be 21. You can get this with either one champagne or you can get it with two champagnes. The one champagne comes with the Dueling California Brut sparkling wine, and the that retails for $99.95. And the two comes with Moët, I think that's how you say it, and a Chandon Imperial for $129.95. So it's really special, and I think lots of fun. So when it comes with a gift card like this. That's very nice. You can pop it open, and inside it says a special note to your receiver, and it lets you know who it's from. My particular one says, "Dear Shelly, we hope you enjoy this basket. Best wishes, Selena and the GiftTree team." So, and on the back are these cute scissors, which helps you get into the basket right away. And that's what we're going to do. Now you'll notice that it has a bow and a nice coupon for $10 off your first purchase. So when you send this to somebody, they can also pay it forward and gift it beyond. Now, I love this bow. It's a really nice addition. Makes it seem really dressy and special. And there's nothing like untying a nice bow and having it, you know, just kind of seem so present-like, I think. All right, so let's crack this baby open and see what we've got. All right. First of all, I'm noticing that this is packaged very well and will probably survive shipping. The box that it came in was really a heavy cardboard. Once you take it out of the plastic, I think you're going to start to notice that the basket has a very Louis Vuitton look to it. That diamond design with the little pattern here in the middle. It's a flower. So once again, this basket itself can be reused afterwards. It's got a very expensive feel to it, and so you could take and re-gift it, I suppose, or you could easily use it somewhere in your house as a great storage. All right, now as I'm looking at it, I'll take the champagne out first. That's packaged right in the front, and it is a Dueling California Brut. You cannot call wines that are not packaged in Champagne, France, champagne. So this is a sparkling wine, but it's the same process. So a very nice appearing wine, and that'll be fun to crack open later. All right, as we get into the gift basket, I notice right here on top, there is white chocolate, Weinrichs, or Weinrichs if you're in Germany. $18.95, finest chocolate, and it's 27% cocoa. So that's going to be not a dark chocolate. Obviously, it is white chocolate, but it's got a 27% cocoa in it, so it's going to have a good chocolatey taste. Okay, the next thing we see is Lindt Chocolate, which is from Switzerland. And it is the chili flavor, which I've never had before. I've had Lindt Chocolate before. I used to live in Switzerland, and I have actually been to the Lindt factory, which was great fun. So I really did enjoy that chocolate while I lived in Switzerland, and you will too, any of the flavors, but this chili should be really interesting mixed with the chocolate. Okay, what do we have next? Next we have Luca's Confections. And so that looks like that's going to be some kind of sweet as well. And that will pair very nicely with the champagne. I think that's why we've probably gotten so many. Oh, no, not at all. These are cinnamon dusted almonds. So I cannot eat nuts, but Walt will find these a real treat. Cinnamon dusted almonds. There's, I'd say, about 25 large almonds in here, so very good to go with the champagne and a nice offset to the chocolate, I think. Okay. Next, we find in the box some little thing from GiftTree. It's a little surprise package, so we'll see what's inside this box. Oh, wonderful. 3 Lindt chocolates. Lindt chocolates, as I said before, are quite exquisite. They often have this hard outer shell, and then inside you will find, oh, it's the white chocolate once again. And so you'll have this hard outer shell, like they call these truffles, Lindt truffles. And then when you take a bite, there's more of a creamy center inside. Just delicious. We'll fight for the white ones when it's Christmas time. Okay, so next we have some Savory Selections, and that's nice to offset the sweets that you're getting here. And this is from Louise Kelly. So let's see, what is this? Honey roasted peanuts. What a perfect thing to go along with your almonds is some honey roasted peanuts. Nice mixture of roasted versus cinnamon. Oh, that'll be delicious. But can't you see this basket being perfect for Christmas or New Year's Eve? So let's see, it's that's a nice one-size serving package that you could probably share with your loved one, no problem. Okay, isn't this great? This is a lot of fun, isn't it? Got your champagne and all your little go-withs. Next is Lady Walton's. So we'll see what that is. It's a beautiful rose gold package. White chocolate amaretto filled butter wafer cookies. So that should be interesting. We'll just take and pop that open so we can see what a white chocolate amaretto filled butter wafer cookie looks like. Sounds delicious. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's like a stroopwafel. That's what I would normally call it. But, you know, you can give different names to cookies, and this would be really good, not only with this basket, but I'm positive that it would be delicious with coffee in the morning after you've had all these goodies the night before. Okay, you get 2 of those. Next up is another Dulce's Confections from Sherman Candy Company. And we're going to take a look in here to see what is in this box. Oh my, we've got lemon drops. Now these look like some pretty exquisite lemon drops, people. Look at those, so bright and full of color. I'll bet they're just delicious in terms of their flavoring. And it is a natural flavor. I don't know if you had grandparents who had a candy jar in the house, but usually my grandparents had a candy jar up on top of their player piano. And these particular lovelies were often in there. and they're just the most wonderful, sort of roll around on your tongue, sweet. They would offset these nuts very nicely. And I really haven't had these in a while, so it kind of says vintage candy to me. All right, so now we've got these lemon candies, yum. All right, looks like we're winding down here. Let's see, the next thing comes in this beautiful little gold bag. I think it's quite delightful, the packaging that they have, the variation in the packaging. It makes each thing a joy to open. It makes each little thing seem like a gift. So if you were sending it to your, you know, a friend who you're trying to cheer up or something like that, you could definitely get a big kick out of what you're sending them. All right, oh, looks like we've got some more white Lindt balls in here. And the same white chocolate flavor. Oh, this is lovely. It just is a beautiful box that has that snap opening to it, and it opens up to a gold package of smoky maple cashews. Wow, that's amazing. That's something that you know, definitely you're going to love having mixed with the other nuts that are here. And once again, I think this would be delightful in the morning with these amaretto waffle cookies. All right, so now we've got a whole bunch of packaging, and I don't know if there's anything below, if we've reached the end of the barrel or if there's more down below. Oh, there is. There's tons more. Oh my goodness, this is so much fun. Okay. Now, I want you to remember, this isn't sponsored, but I do love a good gift basket. All right, what have we next? Next, we have Sherman Candy Company, and it's some sweet treats. So we're going to see what they got inside here for us. Oh, wow. Cherry sours. Once again, kind of a vintagey feel to the candy in this basket. You know, either very elegant or very reminiscent of, well, I'm 57, of my childhood at my grandparents. So probably things they loved that I got to have at their house. Cherry sours. Oh, I do have to try one of those. If you remember cherry sours, raise your hand. Oh my goodness, so good. All right, the next thing is something that is 51% cocoa. So that's a little bit more of a dark chocolate. I'm starting to hint at the dark chocolateness, and I just love dark chocolate kind of candies. So let's see, and can you imagine this chocolate paired with the champagne? Oh, so indulgent. Yes, we're going to take a look at this chocolate because, oh, okay, everything really comes very well packaged so that the freshness stays, and when the receiver gets it, oh, can't get it open, but what do I have? Oh, there I go, I got it. It's nice to know you have those scissors. Oh, okay, so these are, it's a French word that says dark or black chocolate, and they're called pastilles. I've seen this word before, but I've never said it out loud. So P-A-S-T-I-L-L-E-S, but just a wonderful little, almost flat chocolate chip. And 51% cocoa. So it gives you that lovely dark chocolate feel without being too bitter. All right. We still have more things. This one is English Toffee, Sweet Smith Candy Company, and it's Toffee Caramel. And you can see that it has chocolate and either nuts or bits of nougat on the top of it. I'm not sure which. Let's see, it says soft Belgian chocolate, finally revealing smooth, rich, buttery toffee beneath. Oh, I think Walt will just love this. All right, now we've got another Savory Sensation box, and let's pop that open and see what it is. Okay, we've got red chili peanuts. Wow, this basket has tons of nuts, tons of great different kinds of nuts, just for all your, you know, snacking desires. And the thing I think is there's so much here that even if you had a fun night with the champagne and little bits of it, this is a gift basket that seems like I would keep eating it for 3 or 4 or 5 days afterwards, just enjoying the different sensations. And I like how things are sort of like bitter and spicy and sweet and salty all mixed together, so that any flavor part of your flavor palette, this will appeal to you. Okay, it looks like this is the last thing in the basket, and it's seasoned crisp crackers. Okay, once again, comes very well sealed and in a very pretty presentation. As I think all things in the basket have been, and they've been, you know, different ways. Like there's that magnetic box, and there's the little tiny gold bag, and so there's a lot of different packaging presentations, which just makes it all seem so special. Let's see if I can find my scissors here. Oh yes. So see these little scissors that they send you? You don't have to be impeded by the, you know, the packaging. You can just cut it open and eat away. Oh, okay, it looks kind of like little baguettes. Oh. Yeah. It's olive oil and sea salt baguette chips. Wonderful. So in the package, I think we had a good 12 to 15 items, and everything that I enjoy, or Walt would, and a great bottle of champagne that I need to fridge up, and maybe we're going to have tonight, along with a lot of great things. So once again, it's just champagne, the toffee, the stroopwafel amaretto cookies. We have the dark chocolate pastels. Forgive me if I can't say the name exactly right, because French, did not take it, never lived there. My apologies to anyone who's French. The smoky maple cashews, the red chili peanuts, the honey roasted peanuts, lots of lovely packaging, the white chocolate Lindt balls, yum, yum. I'm glad they picked the best flavor. The sour cherries, the lemon drop. Oh, these just decadent looking. The chili Lindt chocolate. Oh, it's dark chocolate too. And the white chocolate bar. So you can see you can get yourself quite a feast, and this would be a gift basket that you certainly, seems like you'd be proud to share with any colleague from work who's having a celebration, a promotion. Like I said, special days like Father's Day that's coming up. Even, you know, hostess gift for someone who throws a shower for you, or that kind of thing. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Like I said before, I just love doing gift basket unboxings for you and showing you different items that I think you would enjoy. GiftTree.com has many choices, not just the Champagne Wish gift basket, but they have many different choices for many different occasions. They include fruits and cracker and cheese combinations. You've got all kinds of towery kind of packaging. So really, you can look to them for even bath and body and spa items. So their selections are unlimited. So just check out GiftTree.com and keep in mind this basket that we reviewed, the Champagne Wishes gift basket, as a choice for maybe your next special occasion. This is Shelley Zurich from Still Blonde After All These Years, and we hope you join us again for our next unboxing.